Hello everyone, I'm David from CLT. Today we'll be introducing what makes F-board a superstar product. F-board is highly integrated and easy to maintain, introducing a triple 3-in-1 integrated design and front maintenance, flexible installation and use. Die-cast aluminum cabinet adopt a reliable die-casting aluminum housing and multiple special processing, which can easily meet the protection needs of coastal areas or swimming pools. Rich interface compatibility, USB interface, HDMI input and output, RJ45 network port, Bluetooth remote control, and so on. Support for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Ethernet, a variety of network transmission can be connected to external multimedia devices like cameras, speakers, and so on. With innovative heat dissipation designs, F-board can effectively reduce external environmental and internal thermal effects to keep it operating at normal temperatures.